Can you tell me if you can see my screen?
Yes.
What I've done here, this is how you actually submit a Consumer Financial Protection Bureau complaint. Okay. Can you see me on the little screen?
Yes.
Okay, great. So what I've done here, the first step was submit a complaint. So once I've submitted a complaint, it went to the first thing is what I did is I went to my Consumer Financial Protection Bureau website, which I've given you. The next thing is what I did is I submitted the complaint. The next thing I did was I created an account, which I had to put my name and my email address and create a password. So I've done that, and obviously I didn't want to do that on record for my passwords. Okay. So now, what type of complaint this is? This is particularly how to submit a debt collection. So what I'm going to do is select debt collection. That was the first thing. The next was, in this case, what type of debt is it? Is it auto? We're going to use this one as this was a credit card debt. Okay. Or was it a payday loan, mortgage debt, medical? You don't know, other debt. You see where it says other here, such as different utilities and things like that. And keep in mind, if it's a credit card, a telecommunication debt collector trying to collect a debt for a telecom bill, internet cable. So what that means is if you got a direct TV bill or a WOW bill, that's where you collect tele. Okay, so it just depends on the type of debt that it is here. In this case, we're just going to say it's a credit card debt. Okay. So you do have in that case, my point is you have the option of selecting. Okay. The other ones are very particular what you want to write based on the laws that we're using. What type of problem are you having? Okay. The type of problem that you're having based on the laws that we have here that have been selected is, and what happens is I'm going to put the right up under here, there's going to be a letter with all of the consumer laws that you want to post and how you want to post them and what you want to copy and paste into the end. But written notification about this debt, didn't receive it, didn't know it could be disputed. Okay. And again, the next thing, what best describes your problem? Didn't receive a notice of right to dispute. They didn't send it to me. They dang sure didn't send it to me within 5 days of what they supposed to. That's for sure. And even then, I didn't have any burden of proof. Okay, the burden of proof is on them. I'm sorry. So the next thing is, have you already tried to fix this problem? Nope, this is my first time trying to fix this. So it's a no. I'm going live here. Right here now, what I'm going to do is go back over to my CHAT GPT, which I created a letter. I'm going to I put all 4 laws here. Well, first of all, what did I do? I typed to CHAT GPT this information that I highlighted. I typed this in. Please create a complaint to the CFPB letter to the collection agency, Portfolio Recovery, as they have violated my rights using the following consumer laws. And I've also just copy and paste what I also have put below. And this is the letter that they gave me. So I'm going to take this here. I'm not going to enclose anything, so I'm going to just take this. Oops, I can't seem to copy and paste all of a sudden. Okay, I'm going to go back to Consumer Financial. Okay, got it. I'm not going to put, I don't want to have mine published. So unless you just wanted to, you could. Okay, but I'm not going to have that published or anything. What is a fair resolution to this? What do you want? I want the collections deleted from my consumer reports. And I'm putting reports because it may be on multiple reports, okay? All right. And in this case, if you have supporting documents here, this is where you will put supporting documents here, okay? But in this case, I'm not uploading anything else in this case. But I'm gonna go to next. And in this case, I'm gonna put in portfolio recovery. So I can even put port and watch what'll come up. It'll pull up all of the rest. Portfolio. See how you just type in a little bit, but it's very key. You see how I pulled up a lot of different company names. Remember I was telling you this before? This is where you want to make sure you put the right name. Because this is what will happen. If you put the wrong name here, it's vital. Because they'll say, hey, this company don't exist. So I want you to go to your credit, go back to your credit report. On the bottom of your credit report, it's going to be vital. On the bottom there, it's going to show you, oh, okay, this is the name of that company, or this is the address. Google that address, and then this is where you want to get that name. Because you see how you got so many different portfolios? Got a ton of them. Okay. And so I want to put portfolio recovery exactly how it lists based on the addresses on my credit report. So in this case, I already know it was portfolio recovery LLC. Okay. Is what I was using. Account number, you will put it here. Put the account number exactly as it reads on your actual credit report, as I stated earlier. The last four of your social would be here. Okay. And then the next thing here is this company, is the company where this debt came from different than the company entered above? Of course, no, this is going to be the same. No. Okay. So because I'm not going to be filing this complaint, I'm not going to hit next. Okay. So I don't want to go to the next step. So I'm going to stop sharing.